Good day, everyone. My topic is all about carbohydrates. Carbohydrates are broken down into monosaccharides, disaccharides, oligosaccharides, and polysaccharides. These are all essentials in giving the animal the appropriate amount of energy. The structure always follows a ratio of 1 to 1 of carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen. They have a linear format in either a chain or ring form. A lot of saccharide structures are different in orientation of the hydroxyl group. This difference has a huge impact on biochemical properties, organoleptic properties, and physical properties, and a specific rotation. The chain monosaccharide that has carbonyl group on the rear end of carbon creating an aldehyde group is known as an aldose. If the carbonyl group is on the inside atom, it creates a ketone known as ketose. The ribose ring is part of ribonucleic acid or RNA. Deoxyribose is part of deoxyribonucleic acid or DNA. In a nucleic acid, the hydroxyl group is connected to carbon number 1 and exchange with nucleotide bases. There are many functions of carbohydrate, but I get two functions of it. The first one is carbohydrates are needed in the body in order to give energy, and you can get this from a number of sources. And also, carbohydrates can be metabolized and are one of the main nutrients that are utilized in the body of animals. Next is definition of carbohydrate. Any of various neutral compounds of carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen, such as sugars, starches, and cellulose, are most of which are formed by green plants and which is constitute a major cause of animals' food. Carbohydrates can be metabolized and are one of the body's main nutrients that are utilized in the animal's body. Simple carbohydrates are glucose and are converted and used as energy in the animal's body. When this is the case, different macronutrients are utilized for other jobs, for example, growth of repair of tissues when macronutrients are converted to protein. So, what is the percentage of carbohydrates in the animal's body? So, the animal body contains less than 1% carbohydrate, which are present in blood, muscles, and liver. The carbohydrate present in animal body is also known as animal starch or glycogen. Based upon their digestibility and solubility, the carbohydrates can be divided into two groups. The next question is, what is the role of carbohydrates in animal nutrition? The carbohydrates in animal nutrition, they are essential components of milk as lactose. These are stored as glycogen, exists or carbohydrates in diet and converted into fat and stored in the fat depot. These are reserved energy materials of the body and liver and muscles of animals and starch in plants.